Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube in background while using other apps in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your YouTube. If you want to play YouTube in background while using other apps, then open your YouTube video. If you want to continue this, then you have to minimize your YouTube. And now you have to open your another app. So this is how to play YouTube in background while using other apps. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.